Here are 5 reasons to shower like a caveman.
Huh?
Number 1. No more parabens. Parabens are chemicals used in virtually every shampoo and cosmetic, and although they were intended to curb bacteria growth, time has revealed some nasty side effects, such as the disruption of proper endocrine function and exposure to carcinogens. They also deteriorate your scalp by weakening the protective cuticles. Number 2. Say goodbye to sulfates. Sulfates are responsible for the foaming effects of traditional shampoos, and they are very efficient at breaking down dirt. But if sulfates can break down the toughest dirt, what do you think it's doing to your precious natural oils and protective barriers of your hair? So just say no to foam. Now that you're coming out of the cave, it's time to step into the light and learn the benefits of natural hair products. Number 3. Bentonite, your new best friend. This magical gray powder, known for healing, detoxifying, and preventing disease, is found in clay mountain deposits all over the world and has been used for thousands of years, including in our line of 5 Elements hair care, to help feed minerals and vitamins to your hair and scalp. Number 4. WILDCRAFTED and sustainable ingredients. Not only do we use all natural ingredients, we harvest them in a sustainable way, selecting only the finest wild-crafted ingredients that are readily available in nature, sourcing them from around the world, keeping Mother Nature in mind. Number 5. Nothing extra. Using no synthetics, no color additives, and no unnatural fragrances, we can provide only wholesome and natural ingredients that your body craves. Need another reason? Because it works. I mean, after all, these products are Caveman approved. So happy showering, from our cave to yours.